Hey guys, so this is going to be a voiceover showing you that I basically just cut both of the pants legs and I cut them again down the middle, and then you'll see it creates this wide shape, and that's when we will continue to make the dress. So you're going to do that to both of the pant legs, and then boom, you have a front and a back of the dress. So this just creates our background of the dress, which will basically be the base. I will connect the zipper in the middle and then connect the pieces to the back as well. So now we flipped it and we're going to connect it from the back just to see the sizing. And this is where I will go in and do any measurements that you have to. If you know what the size of the person is, just adjust the size and then you'll pin it like I did right here. So as you can see right now, I'm just sewing the zipper all the way on, so that way we'll have it attached so you can zip the dress up and down. So now we have it all sewn together and the zipper is nice and sturdy and put on. And now we're gonna get the other side sewn on so it can actually be a full-size dress. So yeah, we flattened it out. We put the dress on top of it. I use this dress as a pattern because the customer is a large and that black dress is a large. So in order to make sleeves for the dress, you're gonna do the same thing. Grab some pants legs, but this time attach them to both of the sides. So now it's gonna be an off the shoulder kind of dress. And make sure that you know what size the person is. So this person was a large, and I went ahead and got some nicely sized pants legs. So right here, I'm just sewing them to the sides, and it's going to be again an off the shoulder dress. So make sure you get them correct and on the sides, because you can mess this up pretty easily and it could be kind of uncomfortable. But make sure that you're doing this knowing what size the person is, or if it's you, just try it on a couple of times. So now that we got it sewn on, we're gonna put it back on the bed. Just trying to show you what it looks like. And this is actually really easy to do. You can even do this with hot glue or crazy glue or E6000 glue, which is a very good stronghold glue for fabric. But I use my sewing machine only because I have one. So we're gonna lay it down flat and then add some patches. So this part is quite self-explanatory. I just grabbed patches from a bunch of jeans that I have laying around in my office that I use from other old jeans. I grabbed some pockets out of a bag, and yeah, just go crazy. You can also get patches from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, anywhere that really just sells patches. That's where I got all of mine. And as you can see, I'm just, applying, reapplying, see where I want it to fit. And this part you can get really creative unless the person that you are making these for wants them specific. So yeah, I'm just cutting random parts of jeans, even frilling them up, making it look more professional and more fringe-like. This is really fun to me because you can really just get as creative as you want. So this client did want red in her outfit specifically, so I went ahead and added some red pieces from bandanas, and I got some red patches and even some gold ones because this was her birthday outfit and she had a theme of red and gold. So as you can see, I'm just sewing down the pockets and everything else that I stitched. And this is very easy. All you're doing is pinning down everything and sewing what you've pinned down. So now that we have it all sewn down, we can go ahead and actually apply the patches that we got and start ironing them. So I didn't get the video of me ironing them, so I'm just gonna skip this over a little bit. So another important step that you want to make sure you do is adjust the sleeves. The client's arms were not as big, so I did go ahead and trim the sleeves, as you can see I'm doing right now. And I also like to do a specific look which gives a bell bottom effect, so at the end of the sleeve will flare out more. Right here you can see that I pull it inside out and you can see it just fits better. It's a slimmer fit for an arm to fit inside of. And now what we're gonna do is cut a triangular shape with excess jean and then cut a line down the middle of the sleeve at the bottom, and we're gonna sew that triangular shape into the jean. So this is gonna give it that bell bottom flare kind of look, which I love for sleeves and even jeans. I can make another video in the future on how I do it with jeans, but right now this is just how the sleeve will look. So as you can see, it gives it a bell bottom effect and it's really cute. This is one of my favorite techniques. I do trim the end so it won't look too much like pants, but yeah, that's the end result. So as you can see, I'm just going to do it again on the other side of the sleeve. I'm just going to cut it down the middle and just try to give you a more detailed look on how I do it exactly. So we're gonna flip it inside out, get that triangular piece from the other jean piece, and then we're just gonna sew it down. And this gives it that bell bottom effect once again. So as you can see, this is the final result, and the client did specifically ask for me to paint on the bottom, and I'm just gonna insert some pictures and you'll be able to see it from the thumbnail. But this is how it came out, and I hope you guys love this tutorial. Thanks for watching.